Our buildings had vinyl siding at the time, and vinyl siding is very problematic, always has been, and it failed on our building as it does on many, and that's exactly what J2 found out during the health assessment. Up until recently, I was the board president of Issaquah Creek Condominium Association. We started noticing we had a problem as we started seeing failures in the siding, fascia, the decks, and stair landings. So we discussed how to move on next. Our association management company suggested to get in touch with J2, which we did. And we met with them and they gave us next steps. We contracted with J2 initially just to do a health assessment of the association. At the end of the health assessment, then we had to make a decision how to move forward. There was significant damage uncovered, and so we had J2 move forward on putting together a plan for what that repair replacement for the complete envelope was going to be. They did a great job. They put together exactly where we needed to go next, put together very good cost estimates, and also helped us find contractors. And then J2 managed the project from there on out. They did all negotiations with contractors, helped with the contract for the project. Then they did site management, interface with all of the homeowners. We have 50 homeowners in our association. Very difficult to do, but they did an excellent job. Their management of the homeowners was probably what we were most happy with. We replaced all siding, all landings, landing coatings, all railings. We also opted at that point to do a complete roof replacement because we were in the last 4 or 5 years of the roof's lifespan anyway. So we included that in the overall package. And so it was a big job to manage it. And J2, their representative was Jim, and Jim did a fantastic job. We could not have done that without J2 and Jim's help. And in the long run, our building is fully repaired and the value has gone up significantly. For me, I'm just glad to see the buildings are up to date and they're not in danger of continuing failure. I know that the board and J2 and the contractor, provided a very good service to every homeowner. It was satisfying to know that it came out well, came out as expected, came out on budget. That's a big one, to come out on budget. Just to know that the association as a whole is in very good shape.